A pleasant greetings to all. In this video, I am going to explain how to find symmetrical component of line current without using calculator. Problem: one conductor of a three-phase line is open. The current flowing to the delta connected load through line A is 10 ampere. With the current in line as A as reference and assuming that line C is open. For the symmetrical components of the line current. What are the line currents given? The given line currents are IC equal to 0, IA equal to 10 angle 0 degree, IB equal to 10 angle 180 degree. Here I am going to find out the symmetrical components IA0, IA1, IA2. So what is IA0? IA0 is the zero sequence component, IA1 is the positive sequence component, and IA2 is the negative sequence component. First I have to write the equation in the matrix form. IA0, IA1, IA2, that is equal to the matrix 1 by 3 of matrix A, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, here A square, A. Here I have to write the line currents IA, IB, IC. How to write IA0? IA0 is IA plus IB plus IC divided by 3. What is IA1? That is IA plus AIB plus A square IC divided by 3. And next I am going to find out IA2. IA2 is IA plus A square IB AIC divided by 3. Next I am going to find out zero sequence component IA0. What is IA0? IA0 is IA plus IB plus IC divided by 3. Put the values of IA. IA is 10 angle 0. IB is 10 angle 180 degree plus 0 divided by 3. How to write angle 0? 10 of cos 0 plus j sin 0 plus 10 of cos 180 plus j sin 180 divided by 3. And next have to apply the values. 10 of what is cos 0? 1, sin 0 is 0 plus 10 of cos 180 is minus 1, sin 180 is 0 divided by 3. So 10 minus 10 divided by 3, that is equal to 0. This is the zero sequence component IA0. So IA0 equal to 0. So that IB0 equal to 0 and IC0 equal to 0. Next I am going to find out positive sequence component. Positive sequence component, that is IA1. What is the equation for IA1? IA1 is equal to IA plus A into IB plus A square IC divided by 3. What is IA? 10 angle 0 degree plus what is A? A is 1 angle 120. A is the operator. The value is 1 angle 120 into IB is 10 angle 180 plus 0 divided by 3. How to write this? 10 of cos 0 plus j sin 0 plus 1 angle. This is 1 angle 300 degree. So how to write this? 10 into cos 300 plus j sin 300 divided by 3. Next, cos 300. So how to write this? Cos 300 plus j sin 300, that is equal to cos of 3 into 90, that is 270 plus 30. We can write like this: j sin of 3 into 90 plus 30. Okay, if it is 3 means it will change into sin. Okay. Next I have to put this in all silver teacups. All are plus, sin is plus, tan is plus and cosine is plus. So here this is up to this 270 and 30. The angle may be here. So cos is changed into sin, but there is no change of sin. Sin 30. Here sin is there, but for sin this quadrant having negative value, so minus, it will be changed into cos 30. And how to write this? What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 minus cos 30 is root 3 by 2. And next I am going to substitute this value in the equation. So 10 into 1 plus 10 into, what is 1 by 2? That is 0.5. And add 0.5 minus, what directly have to write? J root 3 by 2. The whole divided by 3. And next step, 10 into 0.55, so 10 plus 5 is 15 minus 10 into root 3 by 2 into 3. Have to divide the terms like this. So 5 minus 5, here root 3 cancelled, so root 3. 3 consists of root 3 into root 3. So j into 5 by root 3. Okay, this is IA1. This is the rectangular form. Now convert this into polar form. Okay, how to make the conversion? How to find out R and angle theta? R is the modulus of 5 minus j 5 root 3, so 5 square plus 5 square by 3. Okay, then this is equal to what? 5 into 5 square 25 plus 25 by 3. So 3 into 25 75 plus 25, that is 100 by 3. So square root of 100 means 10. So 10 by root 3. Have to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. So 110 into 1.732 divided by 3. So 3 5s, then 7 and 7. What is the answer? 5.77. Now we get R value, that is 5.77. Then find out theta. What is theta? Theta is tan inverse B by A. Okay, tan inverse, what is B? 5 by minus 5 by root 3 divided by 5. So 5 are get cancelled. So tan inverse 1 by root 3. That is minus 1 by root 3. What is the value? That is minus 30. So R equal to 5.77 or 5.78 and theta equal to minus 30. So this is IA1. So what is IA1? IA1 is the positive sequence component and the value obtained is 5.78 angle minus 30. Next I am going to find out the next one, that is the negative sequence component. So what is the negative sequence component? Negative sequence component is the 3. Negative sequence component is IA2. That is negative sequence component. How to find out the negative sequence component? That is, first write the formula once again. IA2 is IA plus A square into IB plus A into IC, the whole divided by 3. And next I am going to substitute these values. So what are the values? IA is 10 angle 0 degree. A square is 1 angle 240 into 10 angle 180 plus 0 divided by 3. And next 10 angle 0 degree plus 10 angle 420, 240 plus 180, 420 divided by 3. And next I am going to expand this. How to write an angle 0? Cos 0 plus j sin 0 plus 10 into cos 420 plus j sin 420 divided by 3. So I have to find out this 10 into cos 420. So 10 into cos 420 plus j sin 420. That is equal to, how to write this? 10 into cos 420, I can write like this, 4 into 90 plus 60. Here j sin 4 into 90 plus 60. 4 is even number, so there is no change of sign term here. Cos, here all are positive. This is 420, no, 360, then 420 comes here. All are positive. So cos 60 plus j sin 60. So what is the answer? 10 into cos 60 is 1 by 2. J sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Next I am going to substitute the values in the above equation. So what is the equation? IA2, the negative sequence component, that is equal to 10 into 1 plus J0 plus 10 into 1 by 2 plus J root 3 by 2 divided by 3. That is equal to 10 plus 5. 10 by 2, 5 plus j 10 into root 3 divided by 2 into 2. And next 10 plus 15, sorry 10 plus 5, that is 15 by 3 plus j 10 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. So that is equal to 5 plus j 5 divided by root 3. This is similar to the positive sequence component, but only one difference is previous case we got the answer minus, but here plus. So what is the angle? IA2 equal to angle and the magnitude is almost same, and previous case the angle is minus 30, and but this case the angle is plus 30. So these are about IA2, IA0 and IA1. So once again have to write all the values, that is IA0 equal to 0 and IA1 equal to 5.78 angle 30 minus 30 and IA2 equal to 5.78 angle plus 30. Next I am going to find out IB0, I know the value, and IC0. Okay, zero sequence component is over, there is no phase of difference, IA0. And the negative positive sequence component. So for a positive sequence component, remaining IB1 and IC1 I am going to find out. Okay, so first I have to mark the IA1. So what is the phase sequence? A, B, C. This is the phase sequence of positive sequence component. So IB1 here and this is IC1. These three are the angle between any two is 120 degree. So first I am going to write IB1. So IB1 equal to what? A, this one is A, that is 120, 122, 40. So IB1 is A square into IA1. Okay, what is A square? 1 angle 240 into what is IA1? IA1 is 5.78 angle minus 30. So the angle is 5.78 angle 210. So how to write this is the positive angle. How to write this positive angle 210 as a negative angle? Positive means anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so this is 210. 210 means 190 here 270, 210 may be this. What is this angle? This angle is a negative angle. So 360 minus 210, that is 5.78. This angle is 150. Okay, so angle minus 150 degree. We can write IB1 5.78 angle minus 150 degree. And next find out IC1. What is IC1? IC1 is A into IA1. A into IA1, that is IC1. What is A? A is 1 angle 120 degree into what is IA1? 5.78 angle minus 30 degree. So what about the angle? 5.78 angle 90 degree. So these are about the positive sequence components. Okay, next I am going to find out the negative sequence component. So what is negative sequence component? For the negative sequence component, first of all, I put the value IA2. IA2 is what? 5.78 angle 30. Okay, next I am going to draw. First put IA2. And negative sequence means what is the sequence? ACB. So ACB have to put C here. I put IB here. So first of all write IB2. What is IB2? IB2 is 120 degree. Between this is 120 degree. This can be written as A. So A into IA2. What is A? A is 1 angle 120 into 5.78 angle 30. So from this What is the answer? 5.78 angle 150 degree. So this is IB2. Next find out IC2. What is IC2? IC2 is this angle. So this one, not this. IC2 is A square. A square into IA2. What is A square? 1 angle 240 into IA2 is 5.78 angle 30. So from this 5.78 angle 270 degree. So angle 270 means up to this angle 270. Okay. So this is a positive angle. What about the negative angle? This is minus 90 degree. So 5.78 angle minus 90 degree. That's all. These are the various sequence components for the line currents. Thank you. Have a nice day.